Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this short video, I just show you how you can get access to source code of main.Storyboard and info.Plist with your Xcode. Uh, the point is that sometime in some point in our project, we need to find out code. We always think, it's we have to deal always like this with main storyboard. No, you have option to see source code of this, or even if you are more you are comfortable, you can change text there. It's not easy, but it is possible. And also sometimes you make some color here, some size here, you want to pick it up for later, or add it to other projects. So it's easy. Just right click on this and then open as source code. Then you will have source code of your main storyboard, which is an XML file, and then you can find out how it is. And if you want to go back, just right click, open as interface builder. For info.Plist, same, almost for everything, but these two are main. I had in comments that how they can do it. So just right click, open as this time source code, and you will have XML of your playlist, same as you will see in your GitHub as well. And so right click and open as property links, give you this interface to be able to deal with that. That's it for today. So we learned how get code of source code of main storyboard and info.Plist. If you like the video, please give it thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tricks and also very useful tutorials with full done project and source code of them. And if you have any question, ask in comment. I'll be more than happy to help, and have a good one. Bye bye.